Hi guys.
Today we're going to be talking about movies and cinema in the 90s.
The 90s में बॉलीवुड फिल्म्स में तीन चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हुआ करती थी.
3 घंटे का रन टाइम
ग्रेविटी डिफाइंग फाइट सीन्स
and random ass explosions.
In fact, I used to really enjoy watching some very nonsensical movies as well.
प्लॉट, स्टोरी लाइन, लॉजिक, वो सब इतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं था, वो सब ऑप्शनल था.
So today the ITV team is going to react to some funny yet sometimes problematic scenes from 90s.
जिनको देख के हम सबको यूनानिमसली एक ही चीज लगी, ये क्यों किया तुमने?
Let's just hope that I don't end up judging Roshni from the 90s.
Hit the bell icon and get notified every time we post a new video.
First scene is
From Ghar Wali Bahar Wali, it features Anil Kapoor, Raveena Tandon and the evergreen on-screen dad.
प्लेड बाय कादर खान.
क्या यही वजह काफी नहीं है तुम्हारी दूसरी शादी के लिए?
ये आप कैसी बातें करें पिताजी?
जो औरत माँ नहीं बन सकती उसे तुम्हारी पत्नी बने रहने का कोई अधिकार नहीं है.
the fact that they're even portraying her as somebody who's only here to bear a child and her relationship with her husband doesn't matter, their love affair doesn't matter, their bond doesn't matter, her wishes don't matter, his wishes don't matter, it's only about the father-in-law wanting a kid.
A woman's purpose in life is not to bear kids.
मैंने इसके बारे में न कोई पूछताछ कराई न कोई जहेज मांगा और तेरी शादी इससे करा दी.
His babuji needs to get a life.
But the point is that the fact that the writer thought it was okay to have a father-in-law accuse the daughter-in-law like this and ask her to leave.
Let's watch it.
इस खानदान को उसका वारिस दे सकती है. अरे जब नहीं दे सकती तो क्यों इज्जत करती है? उतार दे मंगलसूत्र, इसको दूसरी शादी करने दे.
इतना ही पोते पोती का सुख है तो खुद पैदा कर लो.
What is पूछताछ नहीं कराई? आप क्या पता करते हैं कि कोई लड़की का क्रिमिनल केस तो नहीं है या कोई लड़की what? The next movie that we will be reviewing
None other than साल्लू भाई's movie called दुल्हन हम ले जाएंगे.
Hey, baby, come let's dance.
Hey baby, come let's dance.
Of course, why not? Hey, you all okay?
quite in line with his character. Salman Khan is very pissed. Okay, she does recognize good touch, bad touch. Raja is there to help her.
Come on, baby, come on. Come on, baby. What's happening? Come on,
If I were to think of this from Salman's perspective, sure, you didn't want your babe to go hang out with other dudes. But my only point is that even if she went to dance with them, that doesn't give them the right to attack her.
Salman Khan came and very much in line with his character. Bhai, please don't do anything to me. Salman Khan has straight up slapped her.
तुम फ्रेंच हो?
नहीं,
ब्रिटिश हो?
नहीं,
जर्मन हो?
नहीं,
रशियन हो?
मैं हिंदुस्तानी हूँ.
तो फिर हिंदुस्तानी लड़कियां ऐसा करती हैं?
As per Sallu Bhai's explanation in this movie,
You're a Hindustani girl and you can't dance with other people and other men and only dance with your man.
is that तुम फ्रेंच हो, तुम ब्रिटिश हो, तुम जर्मन हो. Because वैसी लड़कियां
वो सब तो लूज कैरेक्टर women है.
सेक्सुअली हैरेस होने को झेल लेती है. But
You're a Hindustani, okay? You don't do this, okay? Please. That's the logic. So basically now dancing is a crime and you deserve to get molested.
next scene is from the movie
Called Beta. I already don't like it. Let's see how it goes.
कि वो आज जान ले कि उनकी माँ कितनी लालची और खुदगर्ज औरत है.
एक शब्द भी तुमने मेरी माँ के बारे में और कहा तो मुझसे बुरा कोई नहीं होगा.
Oedipus complex, guys.
So insulting the wife is fine, but oh my god, don't you dare say anything about my mother.
There is no benefit of doubt that has been given to this wife. He's like, तुमने मेरी मम्मी को ये कैसे बोला? I'm going to murder you now.
And I'm not shocked that this kind of a movie and this kind of a character exists in Bollywood.
तुम्हारी माँ को तुमसे कोई लगाव नहीं है, कोई प्यार नहीं है. उन्हें सिर्फ तुम्हारी दौलत से प्यार है राजू, सिर्फ तुम्हारी दौलत.
क्या बोला तूने?
I used to like this film and now I'm just like I wish I knew then, or I wish my parents helped me out understand that this is such a load of crap.
Really disturbed by the scene because he really slapped her. Not once, not twice. If you have issues, talk them out and resolve them like adults. Don't just be like slapping around and मैं मार दूंगा. I'm sorry, but like you need therapy. and she needs a divorce.
You cannot walk around showing scenes like this because they have an impact on a person's psyche, right? A lot of boys who must be like 16, 18, I don't know what, when they're watching this, they think it's okay to protect their mother like this, to protect her rights.
So the next clip is from...
movie called Do Matwale.
The description says Gulshan Grover gets fascinated by a woman.
Because he was the stereotype bad boy.
His tongue is out when he saw a woman.
Good morning, sir.
Monica?
Yes, sir.
very, very good morning to you.
Fake accent alert.
क्या बात है मोनिका तुम
सर, माँ बहुत बीमार है. घर की माँ.
Gals has straight up gone into I'm gonna share all my problems with you creepy looking man mode.
He's crying and he has gone to his bedroom while crying. He's just like...
He's crying in the worst way possible. I've done better than this.
नहीं आ रही
क्या हुआ सर?
तुम्हारी माँ के बारे में सुनकर मुझे मेरी माँ याद आ गई.
And that's going to make her feel that, oh, what a nice man. Never works.
ये सिंदूर देख रही हो?
He's like, suit, need to get ready for work. Jacket, suit, tie. He's like, and not perfume, not car keys, not wallet, sindoor.
तो पता चल रहा है कितना desperate है मतलब.
जानती हो मेरी माँ चाहती थी कि उसकी होने वाली बहू तुम्हारी तरह सुंदर सुशील घरेलू हो.
Every bahu back then had to be sundar, sushil, sharmili and gharelu.
हे माँ!
ये आपने क्या किया?
आज से तुम मेरी वाइफ हो.
I love how beautifully Gulshan Grover has played the perfect manipulative boy. Except that he's actually asking these women to marry him.
मोनिका मोनिका तुम मेरी हो मोनिका. आज मेरी माँ की आत्मा को शांति मिल जाए.
So now he is molesting Monica.
अरे मतलब गुल्लू भैया ने तो शादी कर ली उनके साथ. अरे सेक्सी करना था तो कोई और तरीका अपना लेते.
I'm a little surprised actually. This did not involve anyone attacking anybody. However, just to do her, he got married to her.
I don't know what do these movie ke writers and directors thought the hell they were doing. Is this a reflection of their own realities?
Can Monica just slap him and run, man? Why are you just still sitting there? हो गया, काफी react हो गया.
So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like it, comment on it, share it, और हमें comments में लगे हाथ ये भी बता देना.
Strange, weird, hilarious, questionable clips that you'd want us to watch and review.
And don't forget to subscribe to iDiva.
Bye.